September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. We're about to go, the lighting's kind of bad in here, but we're about to go probably add another camera to the family edition for our YouTube channel. Someone's looking very dapper. Get a look at that. Oh, what is that she has on? The mochas. So tell us about your ensembles today, Latoya.
So my jacket is thrifted as always. Jeans from Maurice's, top from H&M, and my shoes are from Foot Action.
Look at that walk. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, one of my partners, sorry about the camera, one of my partners was telling me, oh yeah, you see that? Champ, support the brand, Latoya and Omar. Hey, like, subscribe, and follow, and share. Hey, it's nothing, it charges nothing, it's free. I know a lot of people. Hey, we got like what, 58 subscribers. I should have more subscribers than that. Latoya should have more subscribers than that, man. But hey, like I was saying, my homeboys tell me like they got Black Friday sales going on right now. So that's what we about to go hit up. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find a camera, add it to our collection so we can have 2 cameras for the channel. I was watching somebody yesterday, I forgot who they were on YouTube, but they were just like, man, like, you gotta be passionate about what you want to do, and one of the things I want to be passionate about is working for myself. I don't, like I said, I don't mind the company I work for, they take care of me, but at the end of the day, the ultimate goal is to work for self. She over there rubbing her hands like Birdman.
No lotion.
Rubbing hands like Birdman. And we're gonna be back because I'm about to drive right now. So yeah, like, all right, Latoya says, okay, bye. And we're back, guys. See Toya, we got some goodies. Princess and doggy jail. No, I'm just playing. We had to lock up before we left. So one of the goodies that we bought, well, we had actually replaced it, the 12 ring light studio kit. I had got her one. She utilized it so much that it broke. So she used those lighting, well, the lighting for that, I guess, like for some of her videos when she do like the makeup tutorial.
To improve the quality on the videos.
So she does makeup with them mirrors, and I think hair videos, and I think she also used them. Oh, we got some CHIC-FIL-A. But anyway, she uses the camera for like the lighting of her videos and things like that. As you can see, I got a little package right here. I'm gonna probably do like an unboxing video, or I may just go ahead and open it up right now. I don't know. So somebody said, I'm in. Hold the camera in for me if you don't mind. All right, y'all hear Princess in the background. She, come on, come on, we ain't annoying you. So I purchased this package, as you guys can see. About to open it up because, you know, like I said, support your people, especially if like you rock with them, you've been knowing them for so long. So a good friend of mine, Jonathan Johnson, shout out, he's staying in Houston right now. His wife deals with a lot of schooling for kids. I think, I don't want to mess this up, but I know she wants to become a principal one day, but I think she's like a student counselor or something, or an assistant principal. She teaches or does schooling out there in Houston. So she has a book called Teaching is a Piece of Cake, and it's written by Kiana Johnson. So I'm gonna just open it up so you guys can see. Like I say, man, I support my people, bro. Like, the thing is, when you see black people, or just people in general, especially like for the kids, cause y'all realize like one day we getting no younger, so we getting older, so kids are our future, so you gotta make sure they have a good education. So it's just some, you know, pictures and words and stuff like that. And I may either purchase another one and keep, you know, just, you know, say I got it, cause my, you know, again, that's my homeboy's wife. Shout out to Kiana, you did. And shout out to Jonathan for marrying a nice woman, beautiful family. Oh, I'm gonna get you some for your new baby too before they born. You did? And he's coming for our wedding. So yay. But I'm gonna also give one away. So I'm gonna buy another one and I'm gonna give one away to either, you know, up and coming, you know, little one, you know, or someone that wants to have something for their child. Cause I know my mama was big on me with books, even though I don't read now. Sorry, Mom. But yeah, so support your people, man. You know, do right by your people. Like one of my friends say, don't be asking for no handouts or no discounts. Pay for it, you know what I'm saying? It don't cost much to support your people. So if y'all can come together, support your people, man. Also, the book came from Amazon. So you guys are interested, go to Amazon.com. I will also share the link in my in the video. But yeah, that's all I have for this unboxing. I do have another unboxing later on. I'm gonna show you what happened. It's a long story, but hey, anything y'all say, Toya?
I have nieces and nephews. We can get them that book as a Christmas gift.
Okay, cool. I don't know what age group it goes to, but I know for a fact the book ain't number $15, y'all. $15 gonna hurt you to, you know, help your kid with their reading, or just, you know, support your people, or just support anyone in general that you know that's trying to do well. You know, so yeah, get that book, man. I'm gonna probably read it. I'm gonna start over. What they call that? Remedial.
What else we got?
I finally know.
Really,
I made up
Omar?
my. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, but no. Y'all get this. It look like it's gonna be a good read. It's not even that many pages, but it's the fact that if you're doing something for your child, that lets you know like you care about your child's education and stuff like that. Start them off young. My mama started me off when I was 3 years old. I knew how to write my name, first and last name, because I was in they call it preschool now, but back in the day they called it ECE. I guess with early child. I don't know what the other E was for, but the teacher was writing my name on my paper, and she even told Toya the story. Like I was writing my name like when I was 3 years old. Like, so start your child off young. Man.
And she tells me to read to Trey every night too, and it shows because if you look at this, bam, there it is.
Yeah. So if there's anything else, Toya's about to take over and show you guys what we are eating today. Oh, we also got the other investment, the GoPro 7. So this is what I was talking about earlier. My homeboy Glenn, shout out to you for letting me know they had a Black Friday sale. I know y'all keep saying, who is Glenn? He's my partner, my road dog.
That just flipped us off on the highway.
He flipped us off on the highway. So, sorry, mama. This is to you, Glenn. That's to you. Bam. And this little baby always be like, well, oh boy, they're gonna come out with another video. So shout out to the mama. Shout out to the mama.
So if she watching this, you don't need to cuss or throw your fingers up.
Yeah, Glenn, cover her eyes up to when you get to that part. You're gonna know what I'm about to do because I'm about to say when I'm about to do it. So don't watch that, little mama. Don't follow my role. I'm sorry. But the GoPro 7, this is our next investment as well. Most YouTubers have 2 cameras, and this one is compatible, and it looks like it'll be more convenient for when we need to like shoot other things. Cause again, we just starting out. We're trying to find our little groove. So you know, just bear with us. But you know, like I said, support us, man. Like, subscribe, and things like that. And also share with a friend. It don't hurt to share. It's free. Free 99. No tax included. You dig? Black Friday sale. You feel me? But yeah, Toya about to throw down a few. She about to chill out right now. But so we gonna eat some chicken sandwiches. You feel me?
Toya is sleepy.
We got some little buns on deck. You feel me?
And we already got the fries in the fridge, so.
Got a new memory card too to go for this camera. So yeah.
So today we just making chicken sandwiches, making this video of course, and cleaning the house. And we also did a little decorating. Not much, but yeah.
And we always in the lab. Or maybe not always, but as you can see, laptop already on deck with the iMovie. That's gonna probably be for a video she already did, but we're gonna be doing another video real soon.
Anything else?
Okay, bye!
Okay, bye!